Hi everyone, thought I'd come out on this beautiful, beautiful day to do some nature journaling. Got my bag with me. I'm just in my driveway at the moment, but I thought I'd bring you along, see what I can journal. So much new cow parsley growth here. So that's going to be cool in summertime. I must say, although it's a beautiful day, it's absolutely freezing. I've just perched myself up on the brick wall at the front of my house, and it's a very still and calm day. There's not a lot going on. I'll just turn the camera around so you can see what's behind me. Apparently I won't be turning my camera around. Okay, let me pause. Right, here we go. This is my view. So I can hear the occasional crow, and there are some robins flitting about. So I'll see what I can nature journal. I ended up finding these little deceiver mushrooms underneath the beech tree at the front of my property, so I decided to nature journal those. There was really not a lot going on outside. It was very still, very quiet. But thanks for watching. See ya!